Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today this video is all about what I do in a day basically, or get ready with me kind of video, or a day in my life kind of video. I wanted to show you how my day goes by as me, Saru. So welcome, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and subscribe, like, comment and share.
Kuna kamwanya pale kanjia. Ako kanjia ako kamwanya. Tuendelee.
Hata kama nataka kulia sana
Hapa hata ni hipo. Ukiwa hapo huwezi waona, lakini ukisimama utaona nini.
So typically this is how my day starts. If I'm not doing any night shifts or I'm not on night duty, I normally drop my daughter off to school, and after the fact I have gone back to my initial love, which is walking and just being out with nature, so that I can be able to breathe on the air and just get to acknowledge all the beautiful things that are around me. It gives me time to reflect, introspect, and also to just be grateful for nature and for everything that I have that is in total abundance. If you've not started, or you've been wondering how can I start to do physical activities, walking is one of those physical activities that normally engages your whole body, but you don't even feel like you're doing something, because you definitely have to get somewhere, so you'll have to walk to that place. But if you think your comba, oh, I'm too heavy right now, I can't even just manage, just try to walk even 500 meters a day, which I know is kidogo sana, but try to just move, and you'll see how it changes your perspective on so many things. It gives you a boost of endorphins, which are feel-good hormones. It makes you like yourself more when you start losing the weight, and of course it gives you a boost to want to do better for that day. Like today, hey, I think I did like 12 kilometers, I'm not sure, but when I started this walking journey back in August last year, where I had taken a very long hiatus, and thanks to one of my friends, a very, very dear friend, who helped me to start on this walking journey. And now I'm not looking back. I just feel amazing. And I hope that you enjoy this nature walk before we get back home, and I show you how the rest of my day looks like. Did you actually know that according to some African traditions, you're not supposed to pass a water body without touching it, or at least sprinkling it on your head? You get the blessings for the water. And you know, I'm very African at heart. If I see a water body, I'm definitely going to touch it. I'm going to sprinkle it on my face and on my body and my crown, so that I open myself up to the possibilities that this day is going to bring about, because water is a good medium. But then we're not going to go into spirituality. Let's just deal with, this is the day in my life. And of course I had to rock on that queen shirt. It's a t-shirt, sorry. But yeah, so let's get into the water and let's bless ourselves.
Unajua watu wa Nike wangetaka wafanye advert yao ya hichi kiatu.
Na nilikuwa nasema the next time nikiendelea kutembea, people better be paying me. Because I actually deserve to be paid for doing my walks. I've been very consistent in the past 6 or so months, and I think it's high time that my work gets, like a certain compensation. I think it's time. You can joke. I would have been happy. But then I told her a story of I think it's Rumi who said it. He said some people claim to love flowers and they still pick them up. That means you're cutting them off and killing the flower. Well, the people who truly love flowers admire them when they're the plant and just fix them. I want you to show my shoes and how comfortable they are. These are Nikes. I've forgotten the actual name for them. But my husband got me these ones was it a Christmas present? Christmas, New Year's present. We really don't know how to tell because on Boxing Day we open up all the presents meant for Christmas and New Year's. Chasing after the rooster. This is really village living. If you find even like some gentlemen chasing roosters. Oh my God. Was it 4 or 7? It's 7. That will mean another hour. But we don't have meetings. Do they do? Combined meetings or separate meetings? I don't have any. Finally, we could see the road. Yeah. I was so excited because we were so deep inside. And the last time we checked the map, we were like 7 kilometers away from the main road. And then that is not where we live. And then we have to go like further 7 kilometers. And we'd already walked for like 10. I was just so happy to see the main road. I was like super stoked. And I knew I was about to finish this. At least I'm halfway to it. I was back home to start preparing for my daughter's picnic. Some cucumber sticks, some sausages, and some grapes. I'm going to add some olives into the healthy snack bowl.
I'm going so early. I woke up even the sun is not rising.
Yeah, so today we're early risers. Let me feed her breakfast. Ta-da! So it's assembling time. Mosquitoes or whatever. And our healthy snacks. I make it a point to make sure that I've incorporated something healthy. I know even the sausage is not healthy, but she had requested them, so sometimes we do what is right, sometimes we also do what the baby wants. Kidogo. Journaling or writing my thoughts down it's something that has been helping me for a very long time, and I started journaling as early as I think as I was 10. It helps me have a productive day, and especially after my walks and a nice shower, I get back into my pajamas if I'm not going to have any meetings or anything to do, or my loungewear, and I go to the office. I start to journal, read a bit as I wait to see as I map out my day. I really love cooking. For those who've been here longer in my channel, I have a whole, not a page, but a playlist of the days that I'm cooking. I like to do it for my family. And for this particular day, this is basically like most of my days. I try as hard as possible to make dinner. And today we're having mahambris, some chicken wings, and some viazi rojo for the guys from the coast know what I mean. It was actually really yummy and delicious. Until next time, it's Dr. Saru. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment away and ask me questions that you think I might be able to answer. Love and love. Toodles!